Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Myself Chaitali Arora from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group of Kota. Welcome you all kids. So kids, in the previous classes we have already learnt about capital and small letters A to S. Capital and small letters A to S. So today we will learn to trace and write capital and small letters T and U. Capital and small letters T and U. So take out your Grafalco everyone. Open page number 6363. Parents are requested to mention date here. So kids, first we will see some pictures related to capital and small letter T. So kids, look here. This is capital letter T. This is capital letter T. This one is small letter T. This one is small letter T. T for turtle. T for turtle. T for tap. T for tap. So kids, after this we will do practice on small board first. So kids, first we will write capital letter T. So you have to start from first line. First we have to draw small sleeping line like this, then standing line. Okay, like this. You have to draw this letter in between these three lines only. So this is capital letter T. Now let's write small letter T here. So kids, you have to start from here now. Draw standing line and turn like this. Now small sleeping line on this line. Okay. So this is small letter T. This is capital letter T. So kids, after this we will do tracing part of capital letter T first. Okay. So look here kids. This is capital letter T. First we will do its tracing. So look here kids. First we have to draw sleeping line on the first line like this. Then we have to draw one standing line. See, we have to draw standing line like this. You have to touch these lines properly. Okay, now let's write on dot. So look here kids. First we have to draw sleeping line like this. Then standing line like this. One last time. Look here kids. Sleeping line. Then one standing line. Like this. You have to touch these lines properly. Now kids, look here. Come to small letter T. This is small letter T. Let's do its tracing now. So kids, now we have to start this from here. See, we have to draw standing line. Touch these lines properly. Then turn. You have to turn this side. Okay, now we have to draw one small sleeping line on it. Here kids, on second line. See, this is small letter T. Small letter T. Now let's write on dot. So look here kids. You have to start from here. Draw standing line. Turn. Like this. Then small sleeping line on it. Here. Okay. One more time kids. Look here. Standing line. Turn. Then one sleeping line on it. So kids, this is small letter T. This is small letter T. Okay kids. So like this you have to complete pages 63 and 64 and 65. After this, kids, come to next letter. Our next letter is letter U. This is capital letter U and this is small letter U. So kids, now you have to open page number 66. Parents are requested to mention date here. Okay. Now kids, let's see some pictures related to capital and small letter U. So look here. So kids, this is capital letter U and this is small letter U. U for unicorn. U for unicorn. And this is U for uniform. U for uniform. Okay kids? So after this we will do practice on small board. Now kids, come to next letter. Now we will write capital letter U. So kids, you have to start from first line. Draw standing line. Curve. Then standing line. So this is capital letter U. Now let's write small letter U kids. So we have to start from second line. Draw standing line. Curve, standing line. Come down with the same line and touch it. So kids, this one is capital letter U and this one is small letter U. Now kids, we will do tracing of capital letter U. We will do tracing of capital letter U. This is capital letter U. So kids, hold your pencil properly. Look here. You have to start from first line. Draw one standing line. Curve. Again, standing line. Like this. Okay. Now let's write on single dot. So kids, look here. Draw standing line. Curve. And again standing line. Standing line, curve and standing line. One last time. Look here kids. Standing line, turn and standing line. Like this. Okay. Now kids, move to next one. This is small letter U. Now we will do tracing of small letter U. So look here kids, now you have to start from second line. So kids, look here. Draw small standing line. Curve. Up and draw small standing line. Down with the same line and touch. Like this. Now let's write on single dot. Look here. Standing line. Curve. Standing line. Come down with the same line and touch. Like this. One more time. Standing line. Curve. Standing line. Come down with the same line. Curve, come down with the same line and touch it. So kids, this is small letter U. Okay. Now kids, let's see some examples related to it. Okay. So this one is, tell me what is this? This one is T for tiger. T for tiger. Let's see one more example. Tell me, what is this? This one is an umbrella. This one is an umbrella. Okay kids. So now you have to complete some more pages. Page number 66, 67 and 68 of your Rafalco. So everyone take care. Bye-bye.